Hello everyone, myself Neha Prakash Kasude studying in third year B Pharmacy. Today's my topic of video is Ramphal medicinal plant information under the guidance of Dr. Nitin Moire sir, principal of our college. The parts of the ramphal are leaves, bark, roots, seeds, and fruit. Biological source Annona reticulata L. Family Annonaceae. Chemical constituents. The chemical constituents present in Annona reticulata L is tannins, alkaloids, phenols, glycosides, flavonoids, and steroids. Their uses. Traditionally, the plant has been employed for the treatment of epilepsy, dysentery, cardiac problems, parasites and worm infestations, constipation, hemorrhage, bacterial infection, dysuria, fever, ulcer, and insecticides. The bark is a powerful astringent and used as a tonic, whereas leaves are used for helminthiasis treatment. About the tree, Annona reticulata is a erect growing tree with a rounded or spreading crown originated in West Indies to Central America and South Mexico, exotic to India. It is cultivated and occasionally naturalized in the tropical areas worldwide, including Florida, Southeast Asia, India, Australia. Flower. Flowers in drooping clusters are fragrant, slender, with three outer fleshy narrow petals 2 to 3 centimeters long, light green externally and pale yellow with a dark red or purple spot on the inside at the base. The flowers never fully open. Fruits. The compound fruit 8 to 16 centimeters in diameter, roundish to heart shaped to irregular with a depression at the base, tough, thin skin may be yellow to brown to red when ripe. Flesh is thick, creamy white and custard like, somewhat granular. Flesh beneath the skin surrounding moderately juicy segments, in many of which there is a single hard, dark brown or black, glossy seed, oblong, smooth, less than 1.25 centimeters long. Actual seed counts have been 55, 60, and 76. Red fruits sometimes have pink flesh or red lines running through the flesh. Season is flowering in summer, fruits appears in autumn. Cultivation. Climate and soil required for the ramphal tree cultivation are as follows. Ramphal prefers warm, humid climate for growth and fruit development, though it also survives well in subtropical conditions. The plant is frost and cool sensitive and less drought tolerant than the custard apple. Cultivation. The ramphal tree is considered a low maintenance plant requiring little water and no fertilizer. It can grow in partial shade or full sun, but if it receives too much sun, it will be scorched by the hot sun. The conditions for the cultivation of ramphal tree are as follows: sunlight, full sun to part shade, watering, medium, soil, well drained soil, temperature 25 to 41 degrees Celsius, fertilizer, apply any organic fertilizer, harvest season is spring and summer. Features of ramphal tree. It is a small deciduous or semi-evergreen tree reaching 8 meters to 10 meters tall with an open irregular crown. Leaves. The slender leaves are hairless, straight and pointed at the apex. In some varieties they are wrinkled, 10 centimeters long. Flowers in drooping clusters are fragrant, slender with three outer fleshy, narrow petals 2 to 3 centimeters long, light green externally and pale yellow with a dark red or purple spot on the inside at the base. The flowers never fully open. Fruits. The compound fruit 8 to 16 centimeters in diameter, roundish to heart shape to irregular with a depression at the base, tough, thin skin may be yellow to brown to red when ripe. Flesh is thick, creamy white and custard like, somewhat granular. Flesh beneath the skin surrounding moderately juicy segments, in many of which there is a single hard, dark brown or black glossy seed, oblong, smooth, less than 1.25 centimeters long. Actual seed counts have been 55, 60, and 76. Red fruits sometimes have pink flesh or red lines running through the flesh. Therapeutic uses of Ramphor. Ramphor is beneficial for diabetes patients. Diabetes patients need to take special care of their diet to stay healthy for a long time. If a diabetic patient does not control his diet, his health may deteriorate further. Therefore, it is crucial to keep an eye on catering primarily. Ramphor is a fruit that can be beneficial for diabetes patients in many ways. Ramphor contains elements that reduce blood sugar in the body, makes the immunity strong. Vitamin C and antioxidants contribute to boosting immunity. Often people whose immune system is weak, they fall prey to diseases. A weak immune system can increase your risk of infection and viral. In this case, Ramphor can help strengthen your immune system because it is rich in vitamin C, which helps improve immunity. Apart from this, vitamin A and B are also found in Ramphor. Ramphor is a energy and iron rich fruit. Being rich in carbohydrates is an excellent source of instant energy. Ramphor prevents heart related issues as the vitamin B6 present in it controls the fat collection near the heart. Vitamin B6 also prevents the development of kidney stones. Ramphor helps treat anemia as the iron present in it helps produce hemoglobin and transport of oxygen to the body's cells. Ramphor is a remedy for hair loss and acne. If you are over 30 and have acne, you can take Ramphor. It works to make your skin healthy as well as maintains the glow in your skin. Nowadays, most people are worried about hair loss, but you can get rid of these problems if you consume Ramphor regularly. The amount of vitamin C in the Ramphor is high, which is very beneficial for the skin and hair. These are the reference links. Acknowledgements. Dr. Shivajirao S. Zondhळे Sir, as a president of our college, Honorable Geeta Zondhळे Ma'am, as a secretary of our college, Dr. Nitin C. Mohire Sir, as a principal of our college. Hope you like this video. For more informative videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.